Hi everyone, my name is Ben Jones. I'm an analyst at Dorsey, Wright and Associates, and it has definitely been an interesting October. You know, we saw the first few trading days in negative territory. We saw negative returns, didn't look too good, and all of a sudden we saw the market turn around really across the global marketplace. The U.S. has produced positive returns, and since October 3rd, we've seen the Nifty rise over 5%. You know, this is a good sign for the Nifty, but it's still underperforming some of those other areas in the emerging market space. You know, right now, one of the major emerging market indices is up around 14.26%. So the Nifty hasn't been able to keep pace. But just on an individual trend basis, we are seeing improvement in the Nifty. The 50 rupee chart just broke through the negative trend line. That's a good sign for equities right now in the near term. And support is down around that 47.50 level. That's where it bottomed in August and October of this year. So going forward, that's the level of support to monitor. So there's certainly some good areas in the Indian equity market. And there's also some bad areas. And I want to go through some of them right now, some stocks that I've been following. The first one is Nelcast Limited. This stock has been trading in a positive trend since April. And even while the market has been going south, Nelcast Limited has been just moving higher. It's a 5 for 5er. Its weekly momentum is positive. We saw it bounce off of the positive trend line. This is one to monitor potentially for one's portfolio because it possesses positive strength. Another one, Grindwell Norton Limited. One reason why I like this stock is because it just broke through the negative trend line like the Nifty. It's trading in a positive trend. It is pulled back down to support, a great entry point right above support around 228. And at that 228 level is where it bottomed in August and September. So we've seen that price hit that level, but not enough selling pressure drove it lower. That's why it's support. Atlantis Beck India Limited. This stock is also trading in a positive trend. It's a 5 for 5er. It just broke a triple top buy signal. It's about to test its July 2011 highs around 2000. So monitor this one. It looks pretty good here with positive momentum going forward, supporting that 1750, 1700 level. And then one stock that I've been paying attention to since July is Aventis Pharmaceuticals. This stock, along with Lupin, have been doing very well. It's in a positive trend. It is a 5 for 5er. We just saw its weekly momentum turn positive, so it possesses positive relative strength. It means it's outperforming the market, it's outperforming its peers, and it's rising in an overall uptrend. Those are the type of stocks you want to look for in today's equity market. Some weak areas. Certainly financials have been falling. Vijaya Bank is one. Negative trend, zero positive attributes. So this is the type of stock you want to weed out of your portfolio and go to strong areas. Another weak name, Sri Renuka Sugars Limited. It bounced up from that October low, but it has some heavy resistance ahead around that 59 level. And REI Agro Limited. Negative trend, 1 for 5er, on a sell signal, and it hasn't been able to do anything. So good and bad, and there's certainly some ugly stocks out there, but be selective, be cautious, and monitor your positions because we could see, let's say, a turnaround to the downside, and you want to make sure that you have an idea of where you're going to put a stop loss going forward because the markets has certainly been a volatile stretch over the last few months. But that's it for the DWA India Minute, and I look forward to talking to you guys next week. Take care.